Have you ever wondered why peep toe heels have remained one of the most fashionable shoe styles for decades? They're elegant, feminine, comfortable, and suitable for almost every occasion. Whether you're attending a wedding, going to a party, heading to work, or simply dressing up for a casual day out, peep toe heels can instantly elevate your look. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love beautiful heels, trendy footwear, and the latest fashion inspiration, you are in the right place. Today we are exploring everything you need to know about peep toy heels, their history, different styles, materials, styling tips, advantages, disadvantages, and how to choose the perfect pair for your wardrobe. So sit back, relax, and let's step into the stylish world of peep toy heels. What are peep toy heels? Peep toy heels are shoes designed with a small opening at the front that allows one or two toy to be visible. Unlike open-toe sandals, the front opening is relatively small, giving the shoe a sophisticated and elegant appearance. This tiny design detail creates a perfect balance between classy and modern, making peep-toe heels one of the most versatile shoe style in fashion. Why are peep-toe heels so popular? Peep-toe heels have remained popular because they offer a timeless and elegant look, a feminine solitude, better airflow than closed-toe heels, compatibility with almost every outfit, year-round styling possibilities in many climates. Fashion trends change every year, but peep toe heels continue to stay relevant because they combine beauty with practicality. Different types of peep toe heels. Classic peep toe pumps. These are the most elegant and traditional styles. They feature a medium or high heels with a small front opening, perfect for office wear, formal dinners, weddings, business meetings. Platform peep toe heels. These include a thicker sole beneath the front foot, reducing pressure while adding height. Perfect for parties, evening events, long celebrations, bridal wear. Stiletto peep toe heels. These feature thin high heels that create a glamorous appearance. Best for red carpet events, fashion shows, cocktail parties, date nights. Block heels, peep toe heels. Block heels provide more stability and comfort than stilettos, ideal for everyday wear, office, shopping, outdoor events. Wedge peep toe heels. These offer support throughout the foot, making them easier to walk in. Great for summer vacations, beach parties, casual outings, family gatherings. Slingback peep toe heels. These include an open back with a strap around the heel, perfect for summer outfits, semi-formal occasions, garden party gear. Ankle strap peep toe heels. An ankle strap adds elegance with providing additional support, ideal for weddings, graduation ceremonies, evening parties. Material used. Peep toe heels come in a variety of materials including genuine leather, patent leather, suede, satin, velvet, mesh, transparent PVC, synthetic leather. Each material creates a unique style suitable for different occasions. Popular heel heights: low heel 1 to 2 inches, everyday comfort. Mid heels 2 to 3 inches, office and casual wear. High heels 3 to 4 inches, parties and events. Extra heels 5 inches plus, fashions and special occasions. Best colors for peep toe heels. Popular peep toe heels colors include black, nude, white, beige, red, pink, gold, silver, emerald green, burgundy, navy blue. Neutral shades match almost every outfit, while metallic colors are ideal for festive occasions. How to style peep toe heels. Pair them with jeans, wide leg trousers, pencil skirts, midi dresses, maxi dresses, cocktail dresses, wedding gowns, formal suits, traditional outfits like saris or lehengas, evening gowns. Then the key is choosing the right heel height and color for the occasion. Advantages of peep toe heels: stylish and timeless, suitable for many occasions, available in countless designs, better ventilation than closed toe shoes, easy to pair with different outfits, can make your legs appear longer, available in comfortable heels option. Disadvantages: less suitable for a very cold weather, toes are slightly expose require neat pedicure for the best appearance. Some high heel styles can become uncomfortable after extended. Tips for buying peep toe heels. Before purchasing, choose the correct size. Ensure your toes are not squeezed. Walk in them before buying it possible. Pick heels height that match your comfort level. Check the cushioning and sole quality. Invest in quality materials for better durability. Fashion trends of 2026. Current trends includes crystal embellishments, metallic finishes, and sculpture heels, square peep toe heels, floral accents. Peep toe heels beautifully combine elegance, comfort, and versatility. Whether you prefer classic bumps, comfortable wedges, glamorous stilettos, or sportive block heels, there are perfect pair waiting for you. Investing in quality peep toe heels means investing in footwear that can enhance countless outfits for you. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification so you never miss out our latest heel collection, styling tips, and fashion trends. And then thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.